What makes Kean's golf program so special is that we are one of only a few Division III programs in New Jersey that offer men's and women's golf. It gives students an opportunity to follow their passion, not only in the classroom, but also on the golf course.
Once you hit that one good shot, you get people hooked. I think it's the greatest feeling in the world.
What excites me the most about launching the new men's and women's golf program at Kean University is that it's an opportunity to really show student athletes a great experience. And there's a lot of things that you can learn from the game of golf in terms of respect and integrity. They're eager to get going.
We're the first to be out there under Kean's name, so it's really nice to be a part of that.
I feel like my role is important. We're really setting a standard for what's to come.
It's just another opportunity for women in sports, and the team culture is great. We all support each other.
The biggest challenges and opportunities is really during the recruiting process, trying to build a culture from ground zero. Bringing in student athletes that are going to buy into that team atmosphere and do well in the classroom. They're going to represent our Kean community in a positive manner.
So once we start building that foundation, we know that we have a program that's built to last. It now takes Kean athletics to a whole different level.
Our coaches have done a really good job of bringing in players that are very passionate about the game of golf and about building this program. In our first two tournaments, we already proved that we're here to stay and we're going to be a competitive force.
It could be dangerous for the other teams out there if we get hot.
Everybody's excited to see how we do.